everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys something different. I got this, it's the Walmart beauty box. Now, this is funny, is the box that I got last time, I think I got in September or October, and I think that was the fall box. Okay, now I got an email maybe a month or so ago saying please, you know, update your information to make sure everything's correct because we'll be sending you a box soon. And it said it was my winter box. Well, it's already into spring already, you guys, and I'm already getting my winter box. So it's been 5 to 6 months since I got my last Walmart box, which is kind of crazy. So I don't know. I'm not complaining, you guys. These are like $5. They say they're free and all you do is pay for shipping. Now, if you guys did watch my last Walmart beauty unboxing, I had really like crappy items. I was very disappointed. I ended up contacting them. I said, you know, I want my money back because I think I got like stupid samples and they're like, we can't give you your money back, and it was bad. I was just like, really, you guys sent me a really bad box. I mean, you guys were telling me, well, I got this and you got that. I didn't get anything. Like, I just felt like I got like repeated stuff. So hopefully maybe they changed it up a bit, but it's been like 5 or 6 months since I got this last box. So this, you guys, I think is my winter box according to the email that we got. So we will see what is inside, and there's actually some pretty decent stuff. So it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner outer glow, here's to good hair days and don't care days, here's to you. So it looks like it's a pretty, I mean, maybe they improved it. I know they had a lot of people complaining about this, so I'm actually pretty excited to try this. This is the Colgate Optic White Renewal. This is actually like about $7, I think, if you went to Walgreens and got this. I have used the Optic White, but this is supposed to be something even better. So I'm excited to try this, and I like it how I can get a little sample to try it first, because there's some toothpaste that I've tried and I'm just like, nope, yuck, I don't like the taste, okay? The next thing we got is Knicks Makeup Crew. There is a little sticker that is covering it up. I got my little kid scissors because I'm just awesome. So I can't get that without my... Okay, so, okay, they're little, it's, lip things, and there's 2 of them in here. They got, really, we're just gonna rip it open. Just rip it open, Jennifer. So, I don't know if they're the same color. Okay, so one is a soft matte metallic lip cream, and the other one is just a soft matte lip cream. So, you got 2 different kinds. I'm actually gonna put the metallic one on just to see what it's like, because I don't have anything on my lips. I got this like vanilla taste to it. Looks good. It's definitely my color. I'm not a matte fan. I feel like matte just feels weird on me. But I do like it, and then sometimes I just put lip gloss on it. So I'm going to put this in my little holder with my lipstick. Okay. So the next thing we got is the Dove Care Between Washes. So basically it looks like it's just a dry shampoo. I haven't used dry shampoo in a very long time. I feel like I don't need to wear it, I guess, because I wash my hair every day, just because I feel like when I take a shower every day, I feel accomplished. And my hair doesn't go really bad until like maybe 3 days after that. But you know, maybe I should just flat my hair sometime and then, you know, not wash my hair and maybe just use this. But this is great for like when you guys need to go, you know, on a trip or something. You don't want to bring a big bottle. But Dove, I don't know if I've ever seen the Dove dry shampoo. It's 1.7 ounces, so pretty good. Pretty good with that. I'm actually liking this box. I think they got so many complaints last time that I think they changed it up a little bit, maybe. So here we got some lotion, and I love lotion, you guys. It's Dry Skin Therapy Hydro Silk Moisture. I like this. I'm actually going to keep this on my desk because my lotion bottle that I have at my desk is like to a T. But right now my skin is super dry just with the weather going on and everything. So we're going to try it. It's got no, I've used Corelle. It's got like no smell to it. It's got like a hint of smell, but my hands are always dry. For me washing the dishes and then constantly, you know, putting hand sanitizer on, and with all the soap that we need to wash our hands with, my hands have been super, super dry. So liking that. And then I feel like we get this Lumify all the time. Now I don't use it because I don't really have problems with my eyes, but it is a little sample of it. I've gotten these with other things before. And that's what kind of size the bottle is. So I usually just give this away to people who I know will need it. So we got that. And then they gave us a little card that says it removes 10 years of yellow stains after you use daily for 4 weeks. So we'll see how that really works. And then they gave me a Knicks little ad thing in here. Basically just, you know, tells you about the 2 things. And I like it. It has a little stickiness to it, but I do like it. And then here is a card for Dove, and then they do give you a coupon for $2 off. It doesn't expire till August. So that is pretty good. So I ended up getting the Lumify, the Corelle, the toothpaste, the dry shampoo, and then I got 2 of the lips, and I feel like this is full size. I do feel like you could get these maybe full size. So I technically got 5 items, but we're saying we got 6 items for $5. That's like $1 a piece. I think that's an okay deal, especially with the Corelle. I mean, you can buy this stuff, I think, at Walmart, or even these 3 items you could probably buy at Walmart for like $2 or $3 a piece. So I'm actually pretty happy with this box. I don't know if it's a winter box or a spring box. Just according to the email, they had like, you know, your winter box will be coming soon. But this doesn't seem like a winter box to me at all. It could be just because with the dry skin, but I don't know. We will see. Hopefully they send the spring box a lot sooner. We will see. But I was debating on giving this Walmart box just one more chance to do it. But I really enjoyed it. I think, you know, for $5, they say it's free, just pay $5 for shipping. I think it's worth it, especially right now when everybody's so depressed and we can't do a lot of things right now. Getting some samples is a pretty good deal. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.